Welcome back. We're on location again at Burke Woodworks in his shop, and today we're going to show you how to make a circle jig.
Alright, what I got here is I'm using my Laguna 1412 bandsaw, and I'm going to show how to do a circle cutting jig on the bandsaw. It's just you set it up and then you can cut perfect circles, so we'll show you how that works. Alright, here's the jig. I made mine out of crappy particle board just because I had it lying around. I'm probably going to make another one soon out of something better. 3/4 inch particle board. You can use plywood, whatever you want. I made it the width of my table. I got a pretty big table on this. You can, again, that's probably what I want, maybe a little bit bigger. Now you cut a piece to fit on your table, and then you cut a little notch here that will sit on the end of your table. It'll lock in like that. I glued it, screwed it, and then you cut a line, cut a line straight through there. Your measurements will differ between your table and my size, so I can't really give you a measurement. And then for the miter slot here, you want a thin strip, cut it separately to fit in your miter slot. Again, measure from the edge to there, screw it in. So when that lines up, your miter slot will line up in there, and then your line will cut straight into there. No wobbling, no moving around. Now I drew a line here, coming out from my end point, 1 inch apart, 1/4 inch holes. So when you cut it, it'll be 2 inch diameter, whatever. 1/4 inch holes, 1 inch apart, all the way up for however big you want to cut the circle. Now you can use, I've used 1/4 inch dowels to stick in there. I actually lost the dowel, and I went with a bolt. That seems to work a little bit better. I slide it through the bottom, and then it can't fall out. So I want to cut an 8 inch circle. So I will go 1, 2, 3, 4 inches out, 4 inches in diameter, 8 inches across. So I'll stick that in the 4 inch hole. You line up your miter slot, and then I am just going to use a piece of hardboard here. If I make templates for them, circles. You can use them for any type of circle, for a wheel on a kid's toy or whatever. I actually use this to cut out my bowl blanks out of my logs. I process my own logs for my blanks. Cuts them out circular just so they can go on the lathe. But I'll show you on a piece here. You got that on the 4th hole out. Find the center. Drill a 1/4 inch hole. That'll slide right into your peg, your bolt, whatever you have. And then you want to line that up, line everything up, fire up the bandsaw, bring it in all the way, and then you just spin it. And it should cut a perfect circle. If you got a big log or a heavier piece of wood, you got to cut slower. I got a thin piece. Go nice and fast. Take that out. Perfect circle. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.